Okay, you can leave the meeting. Krishna, you can leave the meeting.
Ma'am, snake boat.
Yes. Snake boat. Sabarish, I could not see your book. Avanish, I can see. Vishali, I can see. Ridhushana, I can see. Pragati. Yes, Pragati has drawn the snake boat. Very good, Pragati. Super. Ridhushana, I can see your homework. And then, yes, Yashwant, I can see. Pragati, I can see. Yashwant. Okay. Okay, dear. Sahit. Okay, very good. You can stop your video. Everyone can stop your video. And those who have finished, very good, claps for them. And those who have not finished, finish it by today. Okay. 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 Now I want you to answer whether you have discussed about the 10 avatars of Vishnu with your grandparents or parents.
Hello,
If
ma'am.
you have discussed with, yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. நான் பேசுறது
Yes,
கேக்குது
ma'am.
உங்களுக்கு?
கேக்குது மேம்.
வந்து homework என்ன மேம் கொடுத்திருக்கீங்க?
மேம் கிருஷி ஆஃப் 2E தானே மேம் நீங்க?
Yes, yes ma'am.
மேம் இது 4th standard class மேம்.
Okay. Fourth standard class.
Ma'am, நீங்க Krishi? Okay, they left the meeting, I think. Ma'am, Divya ma'am, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I am there, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, kindly check, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes, sir. Santosh Kumar, I can see your homework here. This is 4C and D, okay? Okay, dear, you can stop your video. Okay, I can see no one has raised your name, so no one has discussed about the 10 avatars of Vishnu with your grandparents, isn't it? Milita, have you discussed?
Ma'am, which section?
Who is this? Yes, Minaja, you can unmute, dear.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, dear. Yes. Santosh Kumar, I can see your homework, dear. Yes, very good, Santosh Kumar. You can stop your video. Yes, Minaja. With whom you discussed about the 10 avatars?
My mother.
Your mother. Okay, what did your mother said
Macha.
about all the avatars?
Yes.
Whether it was interesting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very nice. Okay, then whether you said the Sonam story to your parents?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, all one word answers. Okay. Okay, dear, you can mute yourself. Okay, now we will continue with the lesson. Is my screen visible? Yes, Avanish, you can say about avatars. I will call you at the end. Okay. I will note down your name. I will call you at the end. Very good. Okay, so the snake boat race. Yes, Avanish. I will call you at the end. You want to say only the names?
I'm Avanish, ma'am.
Yes, Avanish. Okay, you say the name of the 10 avatars.
Ma'am, Acham, Kurmam, Varagar, Narasimhar, Vamanar, Parasuramar, Ramar, Parasuramar, Ramar, Balaramar, Krishna, Kalki.
Wow, very nice, dear. You memorized everything. Super, dear. Super. Claps for Avanish. Super, dear. You can mute yourself. Okay. So now, this boat race. Why this boat is called as snake boat? We discussed only a few of things, okay, on that day. Why we are calling it as snake boat race? Yes. Yes, very good, Pragati. Guru Prasad, I can see the answers in the chat box because it is very long. Because it is very long and it looks like, it resembles like a snake. If you see the picture also, I can see it resembles like a snake. Okay, that's why we are calling it as snake boat. Okay, yes. And then after this, we discussed about all the festival that has been celebrated in India. Okay, then we come to Onam. Okay, Onam, and we discussed about why we are celebrating this Onam, this King Mahabali, and who is this King Mahabali and what he did, and why we are celebrating this Mahabali's return. Okay, so all these things we saw on that day, and now we are moving to the lesson. Okay, see, and we also saw one video about the boat race, isn't it? So now we are moving to a lesson. Yes, Vidyutram, you are at your grandparents' home. Okay, dear. Okay, now introduction. Festivals are special occasions to enjoy ourselves. Okay, so what we will do during the festival? Festivals are the special occasions. So you will be eagerly waiting for the festivals, isn't it? All the kids and then even the young adults, even myself, I will eagerly wait for few festivals. Okay, we can buy new clothes. Yes, we will wear and then we will get dressed and we will put all makeups, all those things. Yes, we will prepare sweets. Yes, very good. So all those things. Yes, festival or special occasions to enjoy ourselves. At the time of festival, we buy new clothes and gifts. So what we will do at the time of festival, we will buy new clothes, gifts, and then we will meet our friends and relatives, and we will prepare special dishes and sweets. For every festival, there will be one special dishes. Okay, for example, in Pongal, we will prepare Pongal, sweet Pongal, and during Diwali, we will prepare laddu, murukku, all these things we will prepare, isn't it? Like that, there will be special dishes for dishes and sweets for each and every festival. We all eagerly look forward to celebrate festival, isn't it? You all eagerly look for festival. Yes or no? Yes. Yes, I can see Sudashini. Very good. Guru Prasad. Yes. Teenage. Yes. Mitravinda. Very good. Okay. Now, so this was the homework I have given you on that day. Okay. So we will discuss about this name of the festival and state where it is celebrated, how it is celebrated. So this is in your book. So you can write it in your rough note. Okay. So now I want you to take a screenshot of this and then write it in your rough note. Okay. So Baishakhi. So this festival is celebrated in Punjab. So you can see all the festivals given here are the harvest festival. The harvest festival that was celebrated in different states. Okay. So this Punjab, that is how they will celebrate procession through towns. And Pongal. Pongal, which festival, which state will celebrate this festival? Which state will celebrate?
Tamil Nadu, ma'am.
Tamil Nadu, very good. So yes, and very
Tamil
good.
Nadu, ma'am.
Tamil Nadu. And what we will do? We will prepare sweet pongal. Okay, sweet pongal is made by the devotees to offer the God's sun, isn't it? The most of them will cook outside only before the sun rises. They will have the that mud pot. Okay, they will have the pot outside their house and then they will cook the sweet pongal outside, isn't it? And then they will pray to God's sun. Next, Bihu. So this Bihu is the festival of Assam. This is also a harvest festival. Whatever they have given here, all are harvest festival. Okay. So this is the harvest festival of Assam. And how they will celebrate? They will have traditional dances and games. Okay. Then Nuakai. Okay. I don't know how they will pronounce it. Nuakai. So this is celebrated in West Odisha. And how they will give? They will offer new crop to the deity. Deity is also a god. Okay, deity means a god only. That is, we will say it as Kula Devam, all those things we will say, no, that like that. Okay, they will offer new crop to the deity. Then Lohri. Lohri is celebrated in Punjab. Okay, so traditional dance and songs around bonfire. So they will do dance and then songs on the around the bonfire. So you have to take a screenshot of this and then you can write it in your note or PW note. Okay. Next. Yes. So now we will move on to the lesson. So on the day we discussed about what is the lesson about. Okay. So there are two boys. Okay. There are two boys. The hero of this lesson is Chinmaya, okay, the hero. Okay, you can see this hero. This Chinmaya is a little boy like you. Okay, little boy like you. This Chinmaya is waiting for Onam. How you all wait for Diwali and Pongal. This boy is also waiting for this Onam to celebrate this Onam in a grand way. And this Onam, that particular Onam about which we are studying, no, this Onam is very, very special for him because this Chinmaya's brother Charu, okay, he has one brother Charu, elder brother, okay, elder brother is bigger than this Chinmaya. So this Charu is participating in the snake boat race. Okay, he is not only participating in the snake boat race, he is also the leader, team leader of a particular snake boat. Okay, so whether this Charu snake boat is winning the race or what is happening during that day, we are going to see this. Okay, see in this lesson. So the following story is about Chinmaya, a little boy who celebrates Onam in his village in Kerala. Yes, captain, very good. He is the captain. Charu is the captain. Chinmaya is excited about the snake boat race that is going to be held on this festival as his elder brother Charu is participating in it. Will Charu win the race? Let's read the story. Yes. Shall we move to the story? Yes. Are you all ready to listen to the story? Yes. Very good. Okay. One minute, ma. Yes, the legend behind Onam. Okay, so why we are celebrating this? Okay, in a short form. Okay, this is given in your lesson. Okay, Chinmaya could not sleep out of excitement. Excitement means very, very happy. That feeling of happiness. Okay, the next day was Onam. So when was the Onam? The next day, very next day. When she sleeps and then if we get up, the day is Onam. It meant new clothes, sweets, delicious food prepared by amme. Okay, amme means they will used to call like this amme only. So how we are calling amma like that, they will call in Kerala, they used to call amme in Malayalam. Okay, and the much awaited snake boat race. Okay, he is waiting for the sweets, new clothes and food which his mother will prepare delicious food, and then for the boat race also he is waiting. Okay, he had often listened the tales told by his grandmother about the legend behind Onam. So this boy Chinmaya had often listened to the tales, okay, the stories. This Chinmaya's grandmother used to say stories about this Onam, so many stories about this Onam, what are the things they will do, why they are celebrating this Onam, all these things this grandmother, Chinmaya's grandmother used to say to Chinmaya. Okay. Now, see, can you see the picture here? Can you see the picture? This is only Vamana. Okay, Vamana avatar of Lord Vishnu. Okay, this is the Vamana avatar of Lord Vishnu, and this is only Mahabali. Okay, this is only Mahabali. So what this Vamana will do while coming to Mahabali, he will be very small. Okay, that's why we are saying it him as dwarf. Okay, Brahmin dwarf, and then he will come to Mahabali, and then he will ask 3 pieces of land. Okay, then one leg after that Mahabali will accept to give the 3 pieces of land. After he accepted, this Brahmin dwarf will grow and grow and grow bigger than the earth. Okay, so then he will keep one of his leg, okay, one of his feet on the earth and another feet on the heaven and hell, and 3 pieces. No, there's one piece is remaining. So what this Mahabali will do? He will bend like this and then he will show his head. Okay, so that's why this Vamana will keep his feet on Mahabali's head. Okay, so this Mahabali will go inside the earth. Okay, so it was believed that Kerala was once ruled by a powerful demon king. Okay, so what is meant by demon? What does mean by demon? What does mean by demon, ma'am? Yes, devil. Ashura, like that. Okay, yes, like not like ghost. Okay, demon, like Ashura or all those things. Okay, demon king called Mahabali, who was loved by his people. This Mahabali, even though he belongs to this Ashura tribe, he was loved by his people. Why he was loved by his people? Yes, evil person. Very good. Evil person, Ashuran. I can see the answers. Arakan. Yes, I can see the answers in the chat box. Very good. Okay. So why this Mahabali was loved by his people? Because he was very kind towards his people. Okay, those who are living in Kerala, he was very very kind towards his people. Okay, who was loved by his people. Lord Vishnu came in the form of dwarf Vamana, knowing Mahabali's growing powers, carried a plan which would make the king leave the earth and succeeded in it. So what will happen? This Lord Vishnu came in the form of dwarf Vamana. Okay, he knows about all the gods will go and pray to Lord Vishnu to kill this Mahabali. So he will come in the form of dwarf Vamana, and then he will make a plan. Okay, he carried a plan, and then he will make the king to leave the earth. Okay, and he was successful. This Vamana is successful in his plan also. Okay, now so this is only Mahabali. Okay, if you have seen in the pictures and all, Onam and all, this Mahabali. Okay, Mahabali will be returning, this king. Okay, since Mahabali was a good ruler, he was allowed to return to the earth once in a year. Okay, on the day of Onam. So because this Mahabali was very very good towards his people. Okay, and one more thing is he also gave his own head. Okay, he knows that he will die if he lie down, and then he will bend down, and then he gives his head. Even though he knows that, he offered his own head to Lord Vishnu. Okay, that one, and then he was a good person towards his people. Okay, these two reasons made Lord Vishnu to give him a boon. Okay, give him a boon that this Mahabali can come to earth, come to Kerala once in a year during Onam. Okay, this festival is celebrated in Kerala with much pomp and gaiety. Okay, so to welcome the king's visit. Okay, so this function, this festival is celebrated with much fun. Okay, much fun, and then so much of ceremony. Okay, so many things they will have. Okay, so many, if you have can search about Onam, the celebration of Onam in Kerala. If you search in this YouTube, you will be getting so many videos. Okay, you can get so many videos how they are celebrating. Okay, it will be very nice. Okay, you can search and then you can see that. Then the much awaited snake boat race. Okay, the snake boat race was much more special to Chinmaya, as his elder brother Charu was taking part in the race and was also the captain. So why the snake boat race is much awaited for this person Chinmaya? Because this snake boat race is much more special to Chinmaya, as his elder brother Charu was taking part in the race and he was also the captain. So this Charu is the captain of a particular snake boat. Okay, and he is participating in the snake boat race. Chinmaya woke up to his mother's call. Okay, so on the day, so that he felt he was waiting for the Onam eagerly, and then during the night he slept. Okay, so in the next morning, he hears something. Okay, this Chinmaya's mother is waking him. Okay, so Chinmaya wake up. It is time to get up. Like that, his mother is waking him up. Okay, Chinmaya woke up to his mother's call, jumped out of the bed hurriedly, washed his face, and ran to the courtyard. He came to know that Charu and his father had left to the river. So once his mother wake up, he immediately get up, and then he washed his face, and then he ran to the courtyard. And once he reached the hall or living room, he come to know that already his father and his brother was left for the competition. Okay, so next. Chinmaya perched himself on one of the higher banks to get an uninterrupted view. Okay, so Chinmaya, what he did, he reached the river after he knows that his father and brother left them. He is also going to the snake boat race. Can you see this picture? So many persons are participating in the snake boat race, and all the persons this side and that side, they are encouraging, they are cheering up the participants. So they are cheering up the participants who are participating in the snake boat race. Okay, Chinmaya perched himself on one of the higher banks to get an uninterrupted view. Okay, so what he is doing, so there will be so much of crowd, isn't it? There will be so much of crowd. So what he is doing, he is perching himself. Okay, he is in what he is moving all the crowd, and then he is getting inside the crowd, and then he get into the bank. Okay, he get higher banks to get an uninterrupted view without any disturbance. He should view the snake boat race. On that place he was standing, and then he was viewing the snake boat race. The sudden roar from the crowd and the deafening drum beat announced that the race had begun. Okay, so when this race or something about to start, what they will do? Immediately all the crowd, the people will start to clap, and then they will start to shout, isn't it? Like that, the sudden roar. Immediately the people started to shout, and then they started the drum beat. Okay, the drums has they started to beat the drums. Even in the song which we played on that day, we all hear that they will blow the trumpet, isn't it? They will blow the trumpet for all the participants to start rowing, isn't it? Like that, some rhythm, some music they will play to make themselves cheer up the participants and to start the race. Okay, so Charu's boat was slowly edging past the other boats. Chinmaya, so Charu's boat, what happening? So they all have started, and Charu's boat, within few minutes, this Charu's boat started to move forward. Okay, behind the other boats. Okay, Charu's boat was slowly edging past the other boats. Chinmaya felt a sudden wave of excitement. Okay, if you thought your brother is going to win, how you will feel? You will feel very excited. You will feel very happy, isn't it? Like that, this Chinmaya also felt very, very happy and very, very excited. Okay, to see the Charu's boat is edging slowly the other boats. Okay, now, so you can see the picture here. See this boy Charu. Okay, he is standing on the bank of the river, and then he is also cheering up the snake boat racers. Okay, Chinmaya kept cheering his brother along with his father to the sound of songs sung by the boatmen and the splash of the oars in the water. The finishing line was not so far. Okay, so what happened? So he started to cheer up Chinmaya. So Chinmaya started to cheer up Charu and the other participant in that boat. Okay, with the songs. Okay, songs, and they all started to sing songs, and then they all started to give some music to cheer up the boatsmen. Okay, so they all started to encourage all the persons, and the finishing line was not so far. Okay, they are near to the finishing line. They are going to touch the finishing line. Okay, so it was a nail-biting finish. Okay, nail-biting finish. What is the meaning of nail-biting finish? Nail-biting means a worry and tension, as a moment full of worry and tension at the end of the particular race or something. A competition is going on. At the end of the competition, how we will feel? Okay, so whether we will get first prize or other one will get first prize, like that, you will feel that tension, isn't it? That is called as nail-biting finish. Okay, it was a nail-biting finish. There was a sudden sound of silence, and the air rang with shouts of Charu, Charu. So there was everyone felt with tension and worry whether who is going to win. Okay, then there was a silence for 1 or 2 minutes, and immediately everyone started to shout like Charu, Charu. So through this, what you can understand, this Charu has won the race. Okay, this Charu has won the race. Chinmaya's heart swelled with pride as his brother won the race and was treated as the hero of the village. Okay, so Chinmaya's heart swelled with pride. Okay, he felt very proud. Okay, because his brother Charu won the race and was treated as the hero of the village, and this Charu was treated as the hero of the village. See how all the other participants are carrying this Charu, okay, on their shoulder. He was delighted that his wish had come true. It was a special day indeed. He was very, very happy that his wish had come true. What is his wish? He wished that his brother Charu should win his race, isn't it? So he felt very, very happy, and then he felt very happy that his wish had come true, and this particular day was very, very special to him because he was very, very happy on that day. Okay, yes. Ma'am, Divya ma'am, can you unmute everyone, ma'am? Yes, thank you, ma'am. Yes. Am I clear? Yes, you can write it in the chat box. Do you have
Ma'am,
any doubts till this?
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Yes,
You
Ashwita.
can, you can tell me again, ma'am.
Again. Okay, we will discuss about this again. Why you have not listened to the story?
I listen, ma'am, but I cannot understand the story.
Okay, we will discuss about this later. Okay. Yes.
Okay. Ma'am,
No doubt,
one doubt,
Sharmita.
ma'am.
Scenic. Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
one
Yes,
doubt.
Scenic. Yes.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am, what is mean nail pitting?
Nail beating means, see, while you're participating in a competition, no, at the end of the competition, you are going to win. You're about to touch the, if you're participating, think that you're participating in a running race, okay? So you're running, okay, you're going to touch the final point, okay? At the time, how you will feel? You will feel very tensed, isn't it? All the people around you also, they will feel very tensed. Who is going to win? Who is going to get the first prize? Who is going to get the second prize?
Ma'am.
Like that, they will get tensed. Okay, that last minute tension is that nail beating finish. Okay, yes.
Ma'am.
Okay,
What does
ma'am.
mean need?
What ma?
What does mean by need?
Indeed. Okay, it is a special day indeed. Yeah, definitely it is a special day. Why? Definitely you can take it as definitely. Okay, indeed it is a special day. Definitely it is a special day. Why it is a special day for Chinmaya?
Charu won the race.
Yes, that's why it is a special day for Chinmaya. Indeed means definitely. Okay, it is a special day for Chinmaya. Yes, I can see so many of you have understand the story.
Okay, ma'am.
This Onam. Okay, this story is related to the festival Onam. Yes, yes. Okay, so on this Onam we discussed about the previous day, and this Chinmaya is the hero in this lesson, and this Chinmaya sees that Chinmaya is very happy to celebrate this Onam. Okay, he was eagerly waiting for the dishes, whether what his mother is going to prepare, and then this Charu snake boat race. He was eagerly waiting for the snake boat race in which his brother Charu is participating. Okay, so the next day his mother woke this Chinmaya up, and then this Chinmaya is running to the snake boat race where it is going to happen, and he started to cheer this Charu. Okay, cheer Charu, and at end, who won the race? This Charu won the race, and this Chinmaya felt very very happy for Charu, and this festival was one of the unforgettable festival of Chinmaya. Okay, so this is the end. Now let us move on to the multiple choice question. Okay. Yes. Now, the first one, Onam is a, I want answers in the chat box. Onam is a dash festival. River, harvest, winter, rain. Very good, Meenaja. Harvest festival. Yes. Rivera, Onam is a dash festival. Harvest festival. So like Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Onam is the harvest festival of
Harvest.
Kerala.
Ma'am, what
Yes,
does
very
mean
good.
by harvest?
Harvest means we
Ma'am,
will
we
say
can write
Aruvadai,
this
isn't it?
one.
Whenever don't want to write much, just listen. Okay. We will say, see what we will do during the Pongal. We will cut down all the crops. Okay. We will get rice. We will cut down all the crops, and then they will have the crops, and then they will pray to God, isn't it? Like that only harvest festival. Okay. Aruvadai we will say in Tamil, isn't it? That one. Okay. Mahabali was a dash monster
Demon
in form
king.
of Lord Vishnu. Very
Demon
good.
king.
Demon king. And who is the dwarf? Who is the dwarf?
Vishnu, ma'am.
Lord Vishnu, very good. Lord Vishnu is the dwarf. And what is his name? Lord Vishnu's name was Vamana. Very good. Yes, yes. Next, third one.
Vamana.
Yes, very good. Yeah. Yes, Lord Vishnu came in the form of dash to remove Mahabali from the earth.
Vaman.
Yes, woman. Swar or deer.
Dwarf,
Swar. Yes, swar. Very good.
Dwarf.
The snake boats are decorated. Yes, the snake boats are decorated with tassels. Okay, the snake boat is decorated with all the snake boat will be decorated with all kind of flowers or everything. Okay, whatever they have, they will decorate with that. Okay, they will have so many flowers, tassels, everything they will have, and then they will decorate with it. Tassels is like while you're wrapping your gift. Okay, you will be having that ribbon, like ribbon. You will be having something, isn't it? That is called as tassels. Chinmaya was excited as his dash was taking part in the boat race. Father,
Brother.
uncle, mother, brother.
Brother.
Who is taking part in the boat race?
Brother.
What is his brother's name?
Charu.
Charu. Very good. Okay. Chinmaya perched himself on a high dash to get a better view.
Bank.
Right?
Bank. Bank.
Very good.
Bank.
Charu.
Yes, very good. Yes, the deafening dash announced that the race has begun. The deafening. So once the race has begun, they started to do something.
Drumming.
Very good. Drumming. Very good. They started to beat the drums, okay, to announce that the race had begun. Very good. So I hope everyone has understand the lesson very nicely. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Okay, now I want you to, ma'am, you can stop the recording, ma'am. Divya, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. So now I want everyone to, so every day we are sending this thought for the day and news, isn't it? Have you all listened to that thought for the day and news?
Ma'am.
So every day we will be sending this. Yes, wait. I'm going to ask you only. Wait. Let me take my pen and to note down your names. Okay. So every day we will be sending this thought for the day and news. So Monday it will be